The fire broke out at Catbalogan City, Western Samar, in Purok 3, Canlapuas. This kind of incident, the residents should always bear in mind that at early stages of the fire, when it is just started, they have to immediately inform the Bureau of Fire Protection or the nearest fire department in order that the fire responder can quickly respond and control the fire. And other way around, we can also help each other through the neighboring houses to attempt to control the fire by either using a bucket of water really in order not to immediately progress and spread the fire to other houses. And during the fire response, people should not be crowded as wandering around on the fire incidents because it will hinder the response operation of the firefighter. This kind of incident started from a boarding house, and both cause of the fire, the origin and the cause of fire is not yet determined by the fire authorities. So people should always help each other in order to prevent the rapid spread of the fire, or can easily report this kind of incident to the fire authorities. As we can see, the firefighters, the Bureau of Fire members are doing the overhauling as they already contain and control the fire from spreading to other neighboring houses. As we can see, 3 houses is being blazed and consumed by the fire. So this kind of damage is a little bit huge, and has a potential also to spread to the other houses.
Ito nga kakalayo, di lang parungon.